Diski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Tshakuma Tsha Madzivhandila 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 3. DStv Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns continue to be the log leaders as we would have predicted earlier on. We don't see anyone else winning the league except for Mamelodi Sundowns unless something miraculous happens, which it will not. Nothing miraculous will happen. Sundowns are stronger than Tshakuma Tsha Madzivhandila, and we saw it today. Junior Khanye, our analyst, decent start for Tshakuma. Unfortunately, Sundowns is Sundowns and Tshakuma is Tshakuma, and was maybe after the 30-minute mark, we started to see which one is the bigger team. Otherwise, how would you summarize the overall game?
Kuleko kunjani my brother? Yeah, Mkhulise wena. Mkhulise unfortunate we outside the country to Machaka. Mkhulise no justice.
Easy.
Yeah. So bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one. Trying to fixing South African football. Yeah, nguleko. Ivar ukuthi Sundowns definitely sure they were stronger than the team. Yeah, as expected. The quality is not the same.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, badlali 3-4-3. 3-4-3, same team. Both teams badlali 3-4-3.
Yeah.
Whereby Sundowns be attacking among impact as usually. And badlaling ama department namhlanje. The Rock, I'm very happy with him. Nolibusa. Very in terms of abachitaba very composed on the ball.
Yeah.
Technically they're very good. Understanding in terms of they can deal with one on one. Nolibusa na The Rock. And Rivaldo because among abe attacking among impact abambile as abe is sort of a center back. Cholukutu busukata on the left, uterukata ga right. Very exciting also to ubona ulo the way batlanga khona in the middle. Today Rivaldo could say today it did very well in terms of passing game was better, positioning better. Sundowns my petty baller bega pushela up front. Whereby bega pusha yena lemthithuli ulo Mkhulise noMabuye ngoba bebadlala bayi-3 amon system i-shape kuye more of i-defensive midfield the two lebe attack. So beba omunye makambile omunye yasala omunye makambile ujoin attack omunye yasala. So Morena bit disappointing same naku njengaku yeah. Technically umchitamela kusebenza ngetechnique but sekamdala manje. I get chances utholakala kuma area grand but technical is poor. Kune ball balidlali long ball, I think it was Mabuye. Cheap baxi long ball, cheap. Balidlali behind defense. First touch is good. Lupi ball, lebamba lupi. Goalkeeper uhleli phansi, it's a goal. So imagine Sundowns ingasebenzisa ama chances wayo it was a draw. So enye into South African football that surprising me. I don't understand why he said piece marker zonal. Zonal you mark it when it's ipola whereby we defending sambe there's opponent yakho you able to see bola usi nomuntu cause uzokwazi ukutravela nebhola. You understand? I set piece manzo maka no zonal I don't ekhona kick or set piece I understand ngoba mawungacheka yenzekile this year Chiefs versus AmaZulu khona punch ball nobody wanted to go to the ball. Pirates against Chiefs manje ibhola libambe kubo Tyson hilento zonal 1-on-1 set piece go 1-on-1. Sundowns by kore kanjalo. Yeah. The mark zonal. Nah, Sundowns by kore kanjalo. Ilo ikore kanjalo ku disappointing. You can't mark zonal. Can they go 1-on-1? Because and there's kube ne 2 probably okanye 1 over more free. Ukuthi bhola malenda la attack. So very disappointing. Yeah, Sundowns bedlala ngama department Serino disappointing by missing a penalty. This is a target. Which is standard. I expect to take this as a target.
That was a penalty.
Yeah. The way they manga check face off Sundowns kulego. Bebadlala i-3-4-3. Up front Sundowns i-combination bengekho. Ngikhuluma ngoShadile Serino because of Mshishi. Mshishi is out, is off form currently, and Mshishi can't play off the ball. Is a bit tired, off form, and he can't play off the ball. Brain-wise is very good. If you give him the ball on the feet, cheating on their Gaspani, 1-2 he will kill you or he's killing you. But in terms of playing off the ball, the system man lang abantu bayitri ifuni movement epangoba Ushalili is playing more central. Serino and Mshishi must do more of running off the ball.
In fact, let me just ask you this, because we saw Mshishi Bafana. Nothing special happened there, below his standard. With Sundowns, I think it's been 5 matches now below his standard. How do you deal with that as a coach? I mean, he's one of the best players in the Absa Premiership, reigning player of the season. He's not a bad player. That's not the point, but he's not doing well at the moment. 5-6 consecutive games, if you include matches of Bafana. How do you deal with that? Do you say sit down for a couple of games and then come back? How do you get him back to his best form?
Put him on the bench. You've got to Ashmin Domingos. A player that's very dynamic, skillful, can eliminate technically with both feet good. He can play off the ball. Similar like dynamic. You need your Munto or mobile system up front. You need it about the time on in the middle. Supplier. Mong check a face off. Ipole Badala, Marvelling a figure front. So enough, Mong checker, Mkhulise. Uchemaga lifti sandla banu mabuye. It's when they got the goal. Because Mkhulise, we need a team with actually their attack. You hardly see first half with the polite figure gula by 3. One Mshishi gula front 3 is off. So you cause Serena sideways. Also frustrated ngobula ndi pola kuma error wrong. That's why we got to like my error wrong. Utolu utuzanalo. It treble 1-2. You'll get tired. Being a creator, my chances are money over. It was hard to figure up. Mshishi off. Mkhulise was not working him and Mabuye. So Mabuye mangabu Rivaldo zodlalo wrong. As ngisho today, Rivaldo looked much better in terms of positioning, and he began pusher mangam check up yanga tetangu pek for bega pusher bega drop mangabe for instance bambile ba intercept ball. He became a sweeper ngoba by 2 bambe ngama win back. Bega drop kanjani mara. Mapezi ball bega pusher labantu by 2. So Mabuye first half as him and Mkhulise, they were not playing. Ipola begins with figure up front because they were not playing. He played long ball, Rivaldo, Bangal support. We told it by Ama. They expect these people to take defenders on. So ETTM go to their side, but I'll for trade like Sundowns. Rakhali must deal 1-on-1. I understand there's a lot been said by Rakhali. He's very skillful, make no mistake. He's one of the best South African in terms of talent, skill. But the coaching is wrong. The talent but was coaching development wrong. Because if you can treble by passing, like eliminating, one chance is eliminate. Technique, kicking the ball. Also in terms of eliminate. Dribbling is skillful. The skills are among 7 is eliminate. I prefer him number 10 than playing him wing. Because wing we expect him Muguti. He must take players on. Nomfana playing number 20. Bebatala ngama NK2. Ebateka ngama mpek nabo ngama NK2. Lama NK2 they told them good, let's sit Sundowns will dominate in the Salan. They forgot good mele batala. Mfana was doing well, but he coached the way Matebula am disappointed ngai no limchita Umalek. They needed somebody so bamfake ozom support. Okanye bring Rakhale more central. Cause wing bega waste. Batala by 3 Rakhale umnyamani. Nevhulamba striker. Yeah. There's 3 they're not complimenting, but far. Marakhalule left. Umnyaman is interchange another strike. Utoluguto Munye na really wide. Gunzima in the middle, this guy is coming with the ball, but he needed to munto some compliment. Bemeleba eliminate he enka gula banta by 2. But Msambe no manga beba in the sub. But Koni sub by ends, I think lately. You understand that in terms of no Nkulma, Tukelo, for instance. Nkulma
Edgar Manaka.
Edgar, Nkulma Edgar. Edgar, they supposed to Bafagu Edgar are complimented him for number 20. Yeah, Ndlondlo. But to Edgar, I want him to see. He's my boy, he knows. I want him, Oguti, he must show the coach with me attack on your defender. Yeah. But Bastopugla, in 20 minutes, they did very well. But Bastopugla. They scored a set piece. I created a goal with you. Wow. Number 20 was more of Wimfano Parmisandla. In terms of going forward, nothing. Lukubene is a wing back, T12 on the right, but he's a defender. Yeah.
All right. I see Vilakazi, because of time, do you give them any hope of surviving Tshakuma? Because I mean, Bang number 15, people around them, I mean, Middendorp has been able to save Imarisbeck and is peeling away from numbers 15, number 16. So now Tshakuma has Black Leopards and they also have Chipa United as their neighbors. Do you give them a chance to survive?
Akumbula unguze season izoqala ngakuthi bazothengiswa and they were sold.
Yeah, for sure.
You asked me the positioning season iqala ngathi going to be sold. Now and for sure bayithengisa manje ezingizokuphendula Nkuleko Tshakuma will go to playoffs. I see Black Leopards going down. Tshakuma will go to playoffs according to me. And they will survive. Yeah, they might survive because in terms I'm a player by now. But their team there ngokuthola chairman late. This chairman, you can see there's something in it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and also this credit to David Nampumalika.
Yeah.
They managed with but today their team sort of almost late. But Bagwas is good by shape. And why technical team give it talent like if as a head coaching now. This guy they did well. They came, they won a couple of games. Man, you figure about since they're taking off, I think I'm okay, my two. Look at how complicated it is. Don't find a long any man just a sub man, Jenai. What is his name? The guy Osha number 10.
Oh yes, Ungema.
Me nalabo Ungema. I think about David. They needed to attacking in the middle. There's no way now they can defend. Can they put just to summarize the Lamakemin? Abambe Agustik as the anchor. And then Babiga these two as attackers. Mnyamane, they must Mnyamane more of central game, according to me.
Not bad.
Yeah, Rakhale number 10. Yeah. And then they get wingers that are quick. I think they will survive if they do that.
Sure.
And then by emphasize this Chemenian's mistake. Ngoba utilent like he went to Baroka, nothing. He went to Leopards, nothing. I don't understand why in the merry-go-round. That's why standard of football will drop. So he came now, these coaches too, but take over from Uchwel Masuta. They did very well, bro. As well never. And then now, Mauzo Tropi confident. He complicate things because he want to start in there philosophy with his own players, which is the problem. His cut is so much. Each decision wrong, yeah, sure.
Right, there are around 9-10 matches left for Tshakuma. It'll be interesting to see who survives there. There's Tshakuma, there's Black Leopards, there's Chippa United. I'm sure there's someone else as well that I didn't check because there is a congestion at the bottom of the table. Tshakuma Tsha Madzivhandila 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, DStv Premiership, iDiskiTimes, iDiskiTV, WSB.co.za. Thank you very much for watching our video.